Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SuiPad token. Now the SuiPad just got listed on a central exchange. I also just saw that they are on CoinMarketCap now, brand new listing on there, and they were up well over 100% in the top gainer section today on CoinMarketCap. Now we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the SuiPad just got listed on a central exchange. Now it says listing date is May 12th, which is tomorrow at 11 o'clock UTC time on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token, and that is for withdrawals. It actually got listed on there today, so it is up there right now. May 11th. 11 o'clock UTC time, it got listed on MEXC Global, and withdraws, you'll be able to withdraw your SuiPad tokens, ticker symbol SUIP, by the way. You'll be able to withdraw your tokens May 12th, 11 o'clock UTC time. But trading is available right now for this token on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SUIP, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So the SuiPad, like I said, just got listed on CoinMarketCap as well. It's in the top gainer section right now, doing very well. That's why I wanted to get this video out quick so you guys can see that not only are they doing well on CoinMarketCap, but they also have this brand new central exchange listing. So they have a full white paper you could find. It is a 7-page white paper. Their webpage is suipad.xyz. It says staking will be coming soon as well. You'll be able to connect your wallet to the page and stake your tokens. So SuiPad is the premier launchpad for Tier 1 projects on Sui, the first permissionless Layer 1 blockchain that caters to the next billion users in Web3. We aim to bring you the next blue chip on Sui. So SuiPad platform will be an all-in-one solution for SuiPad, with integrated wallet, vesting, marketplace, and transaction management. All major Sui wallets will be supported. The platform will extend any connected wallet with the inline wallet management. The users do not have to leave the platform to see token balances, send or receive tokens, or manage token accounts. Experienced users can still manage their wallets through their wallet provider, and any changes will be directly reflected on the platform. So SuiPad will introduce a decentralized project launchpad. The Sui token, Sui SUIP token, is going to have staking, and it is also a governance token that you can use to vote on the project's direction in the Sui ecosystem. So SuiPad Launchpad, the Launchpad problems we want to address. Number one is time-consuming token sale process. So Launchpad participants need to keep track with the IDO time, adjust their schedule to make sure they participate in the IDO on time. Also, the lack of information about IDO projects, Most AMA and project information favors the project owners more. IDO investors need to know what's happening behind the scenes. And token price falls below IDO price. So many IDO participants suffer from token dumping right after TGE, especially in a bear market. So the SuiPad killer features here, it says easy IDO Launchpad. We try to simplify the IDO subscription. Eligible participants have 48 hours to commit the USDC paired with SUI to the IDO pool to get tokens automatically after the IDO ended. And at the time, we are giving high priority to both UI and UX. We feel that this is one of the most important factors to onboard new users to the SUI ecosystem. So also, SUI Tank. So it's like the Web3 Shark Tank. 6 panelists ready to grill the project owners from the ground up so that participants can see the real deal behind every project, eliminating the camouflage that most projects tend to have nowadays. And then lastly, SuiPad Shield Insurance, an innovative insurance feature to safeguard participants' principal capital tailoring to everyone's risk appetite. So they have the SuiPad positioning. So the SuiPad is the first decentralized launchpad in the SUI network, with SUI building the safest and most scalable Layer 1 blockchain for the next billion users. SuiPad is engineered from the ground up to empower SUI project owners. And for Launchpad participants, decentralization and community is the ultimate driver of the Web3 economy, and SuiPad proprietary launch models. We have combined tier-based and allocation to ensure fair rewards distribution for all token holders. And then it goes over what are IDOs, and then we have initial SUI offerings, so the zero-fee launchpad for promising projects. They talk about the shield. Let's scroll down to where we can learn about. So they also have the SuiPad Academy. This is like learning here. Let's scroll down to the roadmap though. So they started in Q4 2022 with the base platform launch, new website, tradable launchpad UI, then community building, mass marketing. Q1 2023, we have SuiPad on testnet, multiple wallet integration, testnet IDO for multiple projects on SUI, continuous marketing push for community building. Then Q2 this year, SuiPad on mainnet, and then we have the token launch. So we have the SuiPad token IDO, staking pool, and SuiPad Shield, first batch of IDOs. So 4 projects will be coming out soon. Then Q3 this year, we're going to have the SUI Tank, like the Shark Tank. It's going to have 8 episodes, it says. SUI Tank, first season live on air. I'd watch that just to see what that's like. That sounds interesting. Then the second batch, 8 more projects, incubation program. And then last phase, Q4 this year, we got cohorts of the SuiPad Academy, SuiPad incubation, and then 8 more projects, and then the second season of the SUI Tank show. So SUIP token utilities, access to project launchpads, and governance voting. So token is split up. 20% goes to team, 3% advisors, 2% pre-seed, 14.2% institutional investor seed round, and then private round 20%, 9.8% to IDO, 10% initial liquidity, 7% marketing and community, and 14% to the DAO, with a total supply of 100 million tokens. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know, what do you guys think about this token? Leave a comment down below. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.